Hi. In this short tutorial, we will demonstrate how lesson types are configured and used in the system. Lesson types are important. You cannot schedule a new lesson, unless it has a lesson type associated with it. Each lesson type acts as a template, allowing you to change certain parameters to suit your needs, and then set the schedule and allocate riders and horses. You can add as many lesson types as you wish and disable them at any time. Let's canter over to the settings area and create a new lesson type. Great. We will go ahead and enter the required information. Give the lesson type a meaningful name. Set the minimum riding experience. This will be checked when you attempt to allocate a rider to a lesson of this type. Set the maximum number of riders for this lesson type. Set the duration of the lesson. And finally, set a cost. You have two price options to allow you to set preferential rates, to drive your customers to online booking if that is your goal. Don't forget to click Save. All done. The lesson type is now set up and available. You can see how lesson types are used by watching the tutorial on scheduling lessons. Think about the different lesson types you offer and configure them to your needs. In the next tutorial, we will explore event types, which are in many ways similar to lesson types. Thanks.